Tired of Loom's free plan cutting off your recordings? Upgrade to Pro in minutes using your card, US Bank, or PayPal. We'll start by clicking Upgrade, then choose your ideal plan and finish with your preferred payment method. Start by clicking the Upgrade button to get the ball rolling on your Loom account. Now you'll see the plan options, so take a moment and pick the one that suits you best. Once you've made your choice, just click Continue to move ahead. For payment, you can use a credit or debit card. It's quick and straightforward. Or if you have a US bank account, you can pay directly from that instead. And PayPal is also there as an option, so choose whichever is easiest for you. And that's it. Enjoy your upgraded Loom. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.